Basic education, national education. Introduction. Enlightened Indians played a leading role in the spread of education as well. They instead the government to stress on education and open more school and colleges. People wanted to have much better education than set by the British. Two leaders who were very attached to it, Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore. History. Gandhi's first experiments in education began at the Talsri Ashrama in South Africa. It was much later, while living at Sivagram, and in the height of the independence struggle, that Gandhi wrote his influence article in Harijan about education. In it, mapped out the basic pedagogy. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, was against Western education. He wanted an education that would help Indians take pride in their past. He valued practical knowledge more than learning from books. He wanted all students to learn craft so that they would become self-confident and can envelop a sense of dignity for labor. This was the essence of Gandhiji's scheme. Nai Talim, also known as Bunyadi Shikshan, means basic education. He defined education as education for life and education through life. Gandhiji is initially focused on education of children. He firmly believed medium of instruction of education should be in mother tongue. Mahatma Gandhi Nai Talim Abhiyan workshop on customizing a paper course in B.Ed curriculum, FDP on customizing the paper course in B.Ed, competitions for faculty in customizing paper course at university level, contest for student teachers in implementing the customized paper. Participants, universities, constituent affiliated colleges offering teacher education in 30 states, universities, constituent affiliated B.Ed college in every state, UT, 50 to 100 students from each B.Ed courses. Prizes and travel grant worth more than rupees 7.2 lakhs, certificates, benefits of exchange programs. The D-Day. Nai Talim is a spiritual principle which states that knowledge and work are not separate. Gandhi promoted education based on these educational principles. It means basic education for all. The three pillars of Gandhi's education are its focus on lifelong character of education, its social character, its form as a holistic process. For Gandhi, education is the moral development of the person, a process that is by definition lifelong. Education. Handicrafts. Gandhi's proposal to make handicrafts the center of his pedagogy had as its aim to bring about a fundamental rearrangement of the sociology of school knowledge in India, in which the literacy of the lower castes, such as spinning, weaving, leatherwork, pottery, metalwork, basket making, and bookbinding, would be made essential. The other aim of this use of handicrafts was to make schools financially and socially independent. Conclusion. The child is in center of education. It values the dignity of an individual. Nai Talim have a democratic format like education for all, equality, cooperative, etc. It has a universal thought. It accommodates between the body, mind and soul. Thank you.